we've got the fender, the battery box, inner fender all installed now. Now it's time for a little bit of the detail work, right? So your factory side marker light will get changed over. This is an optional light kit that we offer. We call it our Stealth side marker light kit. It's got a little aluminum bracket and the side marker light and the front light. This pops into this hole. It's really easy. You just put the little grommet in first, then the light just pops right in. Now what I do is I wire this one to be my blinker so that people in front of me when I'm turning left or right can see. And then this one is the side marker light. We call this the Stealth because it hides way up underneath here. And when you're standing outside the vehicle, you never even see it. But if you're another car approaching from far away, they can see it. And this reflects light all the way across here. So whether it's, you get a wide range of view on this side marker light. So there's a few wires inside here. You cut and splice in this one, and then there's another light, because there's two lights on the factory fender, that you wire in for the side marker light. So this one stays on with the headlights, and then this one only activates when you use the blinker. Cool little kit. This one hooks back in when you do your hood latch. It uses that same bolt pattern and ties right in. So clean little kit. Check it out if you get a chance.